Finding the arithmetic mean/average value. Click on an empty cell. Enter sum function. Hit Enter. Enter the average function and the range. Hit Enter. The average is determined by finding the sum and then dividing the sum by how many numbers it makes up. Finding the median value. Type median function and cell range directly in the cell. The median is the point where half the numbers in the sample have values higher than the median value and the other half have values lower than the median value. Finding the mode value. You can use the mode SNGL function, which uses a supposedly more accurate algorithm to find the mode. Another mode function, mode mult, returns multiple values if it finds multiple modes in a sample, but it is intended for use with arrays of numbers instead of a single list of values. Enter the mode function you've chosen. The mode is the value that occurs most often in the sample range. Finding a weighted average. To calculate the weighted average, use two functions. Enter SumProduct. Specify the range of each column. Enter sum function. Since an average is determined by dividing a sum of all numbers by the number of numbers, combine the two functions into a single formula.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.